Hello everybody, in this video I'd like to show you how you can create a receipt payment inside the QBO. So all you need is you just go to this plus button and click on receipt payment, and it will take you to the receipt payment screen. And in the receipt payment screen, here you can add your desired customer. Let's say your desired customer is sample customer, and here you can add your payment date, and here you can select your payment method. Let's say your customer wanna give you amount by check, so in the reference number you can add your check number. Let's say your check number is 1451, and in the deposit box you just select your account for which this amount gonna be saved. Once you've done all of that, you can see here this is your previous invoice, and this is its due date, and this is the original amount, and this is the opening balance. Since we are already created a receipt payment of $500 of that customer earlier, so this is just a demo for you to understanding. So let's say our customer decide to pay us $500, and if you received that $500, you just type here $500, and once everything is done you just click on save and close. And if you go back to the sales and click on customer, then this is your customer. To see the complete detail of your customer invoice, you just click on that, and here you can see that the original invoice that is issued to this customer about $1100. Then after that we gave a credit of 220, and then we received $500, and the after calculating all of these we got 380 as a closing balance. So that's all. That's how you can create a receipt payment inside the QBO. I hope you have enjoyed this video a lot. I'll be see you in the next video. Bye bye.